Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to our this video in which we will show you how we can automatically update our lesson files using the VBA. And first of all, the procedure is that we go to our channel studio, and in the studio we click on the uh, analytics. Okay, when we come to click on the analytics, it shows you the screen, and in this screen uh, there are plenty of reports, but for the first thing we do is that we make it this let's say just as a lifetime, so that all our videos are shown. So it only shows 50 at a time in the result. So we download it, and download is also restricted to only 500. So we have more than 600 videos, so of which we will be given the top 500 videos list. So this is the where we download the file. Okay, so once we download it, so it will download it into our download folder, and we go to it and we open it so that we can copy it into our system, right? So let's open it, and so this is our file. This is the file which we have opened it, and we make sure that this is 48777, that's fine, and 1188. Okay, it is already 1189, but it has taken until 1188. Okay, that's no problem. So we have to take all this data by pressing Control A and adjusting it to the appropriate one. Okay, so that we don't have any extra file extra. Okay, we don't need this last row to show top. Okay, so this is going to be pasted into it. So before we paste it, we get back to our system and we remove this, so that we would like to retain it. Otherwise, the rest can be replaced. Okay, so let's get back to uh, this downloaded in list of videos, and while remaining in the A1 position, we paste it. Okay, so as soon as we paste it, we will lose the hyperlinking. Okay, so the hyperlinking are automatically activated as soon as you enter into this sheet again. So you will see the hyperlinks are back. Okay, how it happens? Because we have written a code in the sheet activate procedure, in which it goes to each and every cell in the A column, and if it is non-blank, then it puts a hyperlink. It first of all calls this procedure, which is one-line procedure here, right, with a line. Okay, so on the desired line in the B column, in this, the hyperlinks are done. So this is how the hyperlinking is done. Now, since we bring the here so that the users are uh, given this message, they can see it always on the top, right? And we click this, and so and we can also write a date in here. For example, if we want to see that how means what is the date of this update, right? So title, videos list, you can say that video list, date updated on, and then here we can use the function to display the date. Okay, so here we will say, first of all, we need a space after this so that it comes properly here. Okay, and here we say text. So what is the date for today? Okay, so what? So it will appear in here, right? So whatever is the date, we will say now. Okay, this is just I'm trying to show you that how uh, you can format the date in your so, so in your cell. So what is the date? So you would like to appear in which format? So you will say dd dash, and then we put mm, right? M. Three times M means you want the character, the standard characters for, say, JAN for January, and so on, right? And then Y. Okay. So this is the date format which we want to appear. So this will appear, right? So video list updated on 11th January, right? But this has to be made uh, uh, otherwise each time the file will be copied, um, and with this formula, so it will always show you the latest date. That's not fair. So we put F9 in here. So what I want to tell you that the way how you want to resolve the formula as a character so that it is fixed now. Next time it will remain there. No matter what is the date, it will remain in there, right? Okay, so this was just to show you you can embed your existing string of the of any cell uh, with the date in such a manner. And this is the procedure. You can pick the date and format it uh, and concatenate it with your cell contents. Okay, so this is how you can do the formatting like this. You can make it center and what else? Or if you can do. Okay, so you are now ready to run this procedure with the start. In the start, you have when it is going to start it, okay, and when it is going to end. So it will do. So it will keep on. And after uh, the end of the report, you will see that how much time has it taken to complete all the videos. I mean, so all the lesson files of 400 and say some 425 files, right? So of them, how many have been done, and if there are some errors, or how many were undone, well, how many were not done due to some failures. Okay, so that would give us a summary that about this. What it is asking, it is using actually count if formula, and it is checking how many dones are there. And here it is checking that how many are not done. If not equal to done, then it means these are not done, and it is not equal to blank as well. So this will give you the. So in our previous run, only there were only one file was done and one file was not done. Okay, no problem. So because there is only one file. Okay, so let's start it so that it starts updating our lesson files. Where are our lesson file placed? These are actually in a folder which are mentioned in our code. It will go to our VBA folder. It's a folder in our OneDrive, and it will start opening all the lesson files one by one and entering in here that what is the name of the file. If it is done, 0. If there is any error number will appear. If otherwise, the done will appear in here. Okay, so this is how it's start. Let's save it before we start it. Okay, so it is giving you the option that start from the beginning, say yes, and let's start. So now it is starting with the first lesson. That's lesson number 3, I think. Yeah, and it will update the sheet. It is updated with the sheet, and you can see it is updated, and now it is proceeding to the next file, right? Hmm. So don't worry about this message. The message will be resolved as soon as the process completes, right? So this is how we update uh, all our lesson files. So what is the purpose of such an update? The purpose of updation is that this is uh, all these lesson files are already shared. And the files which are already shared with our viewers, we do not want to disturb the link of the shared file. Only we open that file and we update it so that they have a latest update of my popular video, a playlist or something. So it's a hyperlink list, and from there they can conveniently see that which are the videos, what are their statistics, and that may appeal them, that how many subscribers have subscribed on this or particular video. So that would give them an idea. So why not play it? So it's ease of use. Also, I have made hyperlink available for them so that they can conveniently run it at their own convenience, and they can watch the videos and further learn the lessons which have been taught in the videos. Okay, thank you very much for watching. See you in our next video. Okay.